Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is key management. Let's start it. Key management refers to the process of creating, distributing, storing, and managing cryptography. Keys used to secure data, communication, and application. Effective key management is a circle of ensuring the confidently integrity and automatic authenticity of sensitive information. Key management involved first is key generation, creating in cryptographic keys. Second is key distribution, securely distributing keys to authorized parties. The third is key storage, securely storing keys. Four is key using keys for encryption, description, signing, and verification. Five is key revoking and replacing compromised to of or expired keys. Six is key rotation, rotating key regularly to maintain security. Seven is key escrow, storing keys securely for emergency access. Eight is key audit and logging, monitoring and logging key usage. Key management is used in various applications, including first is secure communication protocols, SSL and TLS. Second is data encryption and decryption. Third is digital signature and authentication. Fourth is cloud security and storage. Five is internet of things, IoT security. Six is cryptocurrency and blockchain. Seven is secure email and messaging. Eight is virtual private network, VPN. Key management best practices included first is using secure key generation algorithms. Second is implementing robust key storage and protection. Third is establishing clear key usage policies. Four is regularly rotating and revoking keys. Five is monitoring and alerting the key usage. Six is using hardware security modules, HSMS, or trusted platform modules, TPMS. Seven is ensuring key management scalability and flexibility. Here are some more aspects of key management. First is key management system, KMS, centralized system for managing keys. Second is key management service, KMS, cloud based service for managing keys. Third is hardware security modules, HSMS, secure hardware for storing and managing keys. Four is trusted platform modules, TPMS, secure chips or storing and managing keys. Five is key encryption keys, KEKS keys used to encrypt other keys. Six is data encryption keys, DEKS keys used to encrypt data. Seven is key wrapping, encrypting keys with other keys. Eight is key unwrapping, description wrapped keys. Nine is key here key archive, organization key in a hierarchical structure. 10 is key life cycle management, managing keys throughout their life cycle. 11 is key rotation and revocation, rotating and revoking keys regularly. 12 is key usage policies, establishing policy for key usage. 13 is key management standard and regulation, adhering to industry standard and regulation. 14 is key management and blockchain, using blockchain for key management. 15 is key management and artificial intelligent AI, using AI for key management. Let me know if you have specific question for need further assistance. Also, I can provide information on the following topics: key management solution, key management best practices, key management challenges, key management trends, and key management future outlook. Please let me know which topic you would like to explore further.